subject hydrology, chapter evaporation, topic numerical number 2 on measurement of evaporation and evapotranspiration. Now students, we have already discussed and solved numerical number 1. Now let us solve numerical number 2. Now what does it say? It says that a canal is 80 kilometers long. A canal is 80 kilometers long and has an average surface width of 15 meters. So average surface width is given, right? If the evaporation measured in class A pan, so class A pan, this is not ISI, this is class A, normal class A pan, right? Is 0.5 centimeter per day, okay, good. Then the volume of water evaporated in a month of 30 days is how much? Okay, so we have to calculate the volume in meter cube, we have to calculate the volume. Clear? Now it's a very easy question, right? So you know that now the evaporation is 0.5 centimeter per day, right? If you multiply 0.5 centimeter per day with the surface area of the canal, then you will be getting the volume with per day, volume per day you will be getting. And when you will be multiplying with number of days, you will be getting the particular volume for that number of days, right? So you can say that volume will be equal to how much is the area? 80 kilometer. So we have to convert it in meters because the correct answer will be in meters, right? So 80 kilometers. So 1000 meters is 1 kilometer into 1000. Now this is your length into width is how much? 15 meter average width. Here 15 meter is the average width, right? Into how much is per day? 0.5 centimeter per day. So meter 0.5 divided by 100. That is meters per day, right? And for how many days? Now that is 30 days. For 30 days. So this will be meter cube. Yeah. Now even if you don't know, even if you get confused in these types of questions, I told you when I started hydrology that you just compare the units, you will get the answer, right? So to get meter cube, what you have to do? You have to multiply meter, then meter, and then meter, and then multiply it with, you can say days. So days will get cancelled out, and you will be getting the correct answer in meter cube, right? That is also you can solve this numerical, but it's a very simple, straightforward numerical. Only one trick is there in this numerical which I will be telling you, right? So it will come out to be, right? 0 got here cancelled out, right? So it will be equal to, let me calculate, 5, 3, 15. So this will be 15 into 15, 225 into 80. Let me calculate how much it is coming. So it is 80 into 100, 80 into 10 because 100 will cancel out into 15 into 0.5 into 30. It comes out to be 1,80,000 meter cube. 1,80,000 meter cube. Meter cube. That is the volume. But is this the correct answer? Is this the correct answer? The answer is no. This is not the correct answer. Clear? Now, if you don't know the concept, you would have ticked this option. That is the C option. That is also there, right? You would have ticked this option, and in GATE examination, these types of questions are very frequent. Now, I told you that the class A pan is given to you. So the actual evaporation in a class A pan evaporation will be higher as compared to the, you can say, the lake evaporation. So what we have to do is that we have to multiply that particular volume with the pan coefficient, right? So actual evaporation will be equal to how much? Cp into this volume, particular volume. So it will be equal to how much is Cp? Now Cp is not given, but I told you that if it is not given, you have to see which type of pan is this. So this is a class A pan. And what is the coefficient for class A pan? That is 0.7 if you remember. And for the ISI pan it is 0.8, right? So for class A pan it is 0.7. So 0.7 into volume, that is 1,80,000, right? So if you multiply it, 8, 7, 56, then 6 we have 5. 7 and 2, that is 1,26,000 meter cube. That is the actual volume. So actual volume will be equal to 1,26,000. I guess D is the correct answer. Clear? So I hope that you have understood this numerical. The only trick in this numerical was that if you just calculate the volume, it will be a wrong answer, because in this question class A pen is also mentioned. If it would in this question, if it would have mentioned no class pen, if it, for example, there was not even a single word like this class pan, right, in question, then your answer was correct. But in this question, class A pan is mentioned. It means that we have to calculate the actual evaporation, and the actual evaporation or lake evaporation is the pan coefficient multiplied by the pan, you can say pan evaporation. Clear? So I hope you have understood. Now if in case of, you can say class A pan, if it would have been the ISI pan, then instead of 0.7 you would have multiplied with 0.8. Okay, because the pan coefficient for a ISI pan is 0.8. Clear? Now I hope that you have understood this numerical. Now let's move forward and solve a few previous year gate numericals which have been asked on the topic on the chapter, that is evaporation. So let's move forward and solve a few previous year gate numericals. Thank you.